Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be setting up another one of these Vego raised garden beds. If you want to know my thoughts in general about this brand and these raised garden beds, go check out my last video from last week. This video I want to compare between the Vego raised garden beds and these custom DIY garden beds that I've made several times on my channel. If you're interested in those videos, I'll leave the link at the end of this one. But let's jump into some of those differences. So to compare as closely as possible, I set up a plan to build a raised garden bed the same size as the Vego garden beds that I'm setting up today. So it's going to be 4 feet long by 2 feet wide and then 1 foot high. So really close to the same size as the Vego garden bed. So the first difference obviously is the amount of time that it takes to put one of these together. You're building it from scratch, it's going to take more time. So 4 to 6 hours. The next difference is the price. Before all the inflation and material prices going up, this was a whole lot more affordable, but now it's close to $90 to $100. Tools will be required for this project, so if you don't have those, that's additional cost on the project. This should last about 5 to 10 years, and then it will need to be replaced. Next, we'll talk about the Vego garden bed. This one's 42 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 17 inches high. This is really simple to set up, and from start to finish assembly and filling with dirt, it took around 2 hours or so. That's with Gemma helping me. Might have gone faster if I was doing it myself. Next, this costs $120, maybe more depending on shipping costs. And other than a screwdriver, no tools are required. A drill does speed up the process if you have that. Then lastly, Vego does say that their garden beds will last 20 plus years. So the lifespan on this is a lot longer than the other garden beds. So if you like the look of the Vego garden beds and don't mind the additional price for them, they're a great option. They last a lot longer and they're really easy to set up. If you're interested in getting some of these Vego garden beds, I'll leave the link down in the description of this video, or you can simply Google Vego garden beds and they'll pop up all over the place. However, if you like building things yourself and saving a little bit of money while you're doing it, these DIY raised garden beds are a great way to do that. I have some plans available for those garden beds on my Patreon page. I'll leave the link down in the description below. If you're interested in those videos showing how to do that, go check those out. I'll leave the link at the end of this one. We have a lot of fun working on projects together and gardening, and Gemma and I loved both of these projects, building it from scratch as well as putting together these pre-built Vego garden beds. Well, that's pretty much all the information I have for you guys. If you want to learn more about Vego garden beds, my thoughts on the garden beds themselves and the quality of them, you can go check out my previous video if you're interested. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting this together, and then that'll be it. Alright, that just about finishes up the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy this one. If you found this one helpful, let me know down in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that like button down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I'll see you guys in the next one. I've got a couple videos here that you guys might want to see, so don't forget to check those out, and then go visit my channel. I've got a lot more videos just like this.